why do you look so down?
I want to prepare for the NMMS, but I have no idea where to start.
Oh,
Don't worry, I'm here to help. Gory Smart Channel has everything you need for NMMS prep. Just check it out. Subscribe, like, and share.
Really? That's awesome. I'll subscribe to Gowrie Smart Channel right away. Thank you so much.
Hi friends, I'm Gauri Shankar. You are watching Gauri Smart Channel. Today we are going to discuss about square and square roots. Squares and square roots. So this is the most very important chapter for SSV exam and NMMS exam also, because 2 or 3 marks will be coming from this chapter. Let us see. Square of a number. What is square of a number? They are only saying square of a number. A number means any number. A number means any number. How will you get? The product of a number with same. The multiplication of a number with itself is called square of a number. The multiplication of a number with itself. For example, I am taking 2. So I am multiplying this 2 with 2 only. Means 2 2s are 4. Means that is 2 square. This is square of 2, we can say. Square of 2. Because I am taking 2. So I am doing multiplication with 2 only. So I am getting 2 square. That is called square of 2. For example, I am taking half 1 by 2. Again, I want to multiply 1 by 2. Then what I will get? 1 by 2 whole square. Means this can be read as square of 1 by 2. This is square of 1 by 2. For example, I am taking decimals 0.7. Again, I will take 0.7. So 0.7 into 0.7, that is 0.7 whole square. That is, this is called square of 0.7. Square of 0.7. Now I can take minus values also. No problem. So minus 3 into minus 3. That will be minus 3 whole square. This is nothing but square of minus 3. Means what we are saying? Square of a number. A number is multiplied by itself. That is called square of a number. A number, any number you take, a number which is multiplied with itself, is called square of a number. These are all the square of the numbers. This is square of 2, this is square of 1 by 2, this is square of 0.7, this is square of minus 3. So, so many students will think square of numbers means those must be natural numbers only, they will think. No, that's not wrong. That's 100% wrong. Square of a number means any number. Square of a number means any number. What you are thinking? Natural number, if you want to take, that means that should be perfect square. That is perfect square. Now we are going to discuss about perfect square. A natural number which is multiplied with itself is called perfect squares. Is called perfect square. Let us see. 5 into 5. 5 square. So this 5 square, what we are getting answer? 25. So this 25 is called perfect square. This 25 is called perfect square. So what we are getting answer? Those are the square of a number. 4 is square of 2 and 1 by 4 is square of 1 by 2 and 0. So 7 7s are 49. So 0.49 is a square of 0.7 and 9 is square of minus 3. We can say. What we will see here, 25 is the perfect square of 5. 25 is the perfect square of 5. So 5 is the 5 square is, if you do multiplication 5 with 5, because 5 is a natural number, so we can say 25 is the perfect square of 5. So like that, if you take any natural number, then that natural number should be multiplied with natural number, then you are getting, that is called perfect square of the given natural number. So here, what is the number you are taking, that will be natural number. What are the answer you are getting, that is also natural number. So those are the perfect square. Now, in this perfect square, so let us discuss, before going to discuss about properties. So perfect square is having some properties, most important properties. So we have to discuss about something. So what are those? Let us see. First of all, in the squares and square roots, you have to know up to 1 to 100 squares. What to 1 to 100 square numbers you have to know. Means what? 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 186, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400, 21 square 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 529, 24 square 576, 25 square 625, 26 square 676, 27 square 784, 28 square 784, 27 square 629. So like that you have to know up to 100, up to 100 perfect squares. If you know very well, then this chapter is very easy for you, because they will ask find the square of one number. 99 square they will ask, you have to know, you have to remember, you have to recollect 9801, 980. 95 square you have to know 9025, 75 square you have to know 5625. Understand? So everything you should remember. 88 square 7744. So like that, everything if you remember, or if you do any logics or tricks, definitely this chapter is very easy for you, isn't it? So first of all, 1 to 100 squares you have to know very well in this chapter. Now let us see 1 square if I do, what I'll get? Answer 1. 2 square if I do, what will get? Answer 4. 3 square if I do, what will get? Answer 9. 4 square if I do, what will get? Answer 16. So 5 square if I do, what will get? Answer 25. 6 square if I do means 36 will be there. 7 square if I do means that is 49 will be there. 8 square means that is 64, it will be there. 9 square if I do means that is 81, it will be there. 10 square if I do means that is 100, it will be there. See, these are the things I am getting. Now, if you observe clearly, the units place are 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. Means for 1 square, 1 only. Units place, if 1 means 1 only answer. If 5 is there, then our answer also 5 only. If 0 is there, then answer is 0 only. Means the number you are taking in that number, if the units place is 1 or 5 or 0, then the same numbers will be there in the square number also, in the perfect square also, isn't it? Now, we'll see here. If you take 2 or if you take 7, then both will give 2 or 8. If you take 2 or 8, then you will get the square number. If you do the square of any number which is having units place 2 or 8, then you will get the units place in the square number of perfect square 4. You will get 4. Or if you take 3 or 7, you will get in the units place 9. You will get in the units place 9. Next, 6 also you will get 6 only. 6 also you will get 6 only. So, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, still 2 numbers are there. One and 9 you will get 1 only. 1 and 9 you will get 1 only. So 1 square you will get 1, 9 square also you will get 1. So now see here. So these are the no problem. But these 2 and 8 if you square, then you will get the units place in 4. Then 3 and 7 if you make square, then you in units place you will get 9. These are the basic important properties. You have to get 1 to 100 squares. And now we will discuss about properties. We will discuss about properties. The first thing is property is nothing but the square numbers are never end with, first property, most important, the square numbers never end with 2, 3, 7 and 2, 3, 7 and 8. See, in the square, have you seen 2 anywhere in the units place? No. Have you seen 3 in the units place in the square numbers? No. Have you seen 7 in the units place? No. Have you seen 8 in the units place in the square numbers? No. Because the numbers, these 2, 3, 7, 8 are not in the units place of the square. So, the first property is nothing but the square numbers never end with 2, 3, 7, 8. 2, 3, 7, 8. This is the most very important property. And the second property, the square numbers never end with odd number of the zeros. The square numbers never end with number of the odd number zeros. Means let us see here. 100 is there because this is 10 square. 1000 is not there because it is 3-digit number. 10,000 is there. This is 100 square. And 1 lakh is there. This is not a square because it is a number of the digits of odd number. The square numbers never end with number of the odd number of the zeros. The square numbers never end with odd number of the zeros. So this is second property. This is the second property. And third property is, if you make any even number square, you will get even number. Or if you make any number odd number square, you will get odd number. So if you take even number, if you are making a square, then it will be definitely even number. If you take any odd number and if you make square of that odd number, then you will get odd number only. Let us take example. For example, I am taking 8 square. So 8 square is 64. I am taking 7 square. 7 square is 49. See, I am taking even number square, then I am getting answer even number. I am taking odd number square, then I am getting odd number square. I am getting odd number square. So this is the first property, this is the second property, and this is the third property. And fourth one is, the sum of the consecutive first natural numbers. The sum of the first consecutive natural numbers is square of the number. So how many consecutive numbers you are taking, first consecutive number, that is the square of the that number, square of the that number. For example, I will clear it out. I am taking 4 odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers starting, first consecutive odd numbers. First consecutive odd numbers 4 I am taking means my answer is 16 because 4 square. That is nothing but n square, isn't it? That's one more property, let us see here. So 1 plus 3 plus 5. I am taking 3 odd numbers, means 3 square. That is 3 square is 9. Now let us see 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Now I am taking 5. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So without adding only I can say answer 25 because 5 square. So shortcut is 5 square. The sum of the first n consecutive odd natural numbers is n square. What is the formula? N square. The sum of the first n consecutive natural odd numbers is n square. So this is the most very important property. This is the most very important properties. Next, we'll go for the remaining properties. So next property is, now let us see here 1 and 4. So these are the two consecutive square numbers. Now see how many numbers are there between 1 and 4? So 2 and 3. Now what I have done here, so this 1 into 2, that is 2. Now I'll see here. Now I'll take 4 and 9. So these are the two square numbers. Now I'll see 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there. How many are there? 4. How we got? So this is 2 square and this is 3 square. Means this 2. So 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So 4 numbers are there. Now let us see here. 9 and 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. How many numbers are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 3 square, this is 4 square. Means this 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. 6 numbers are. Means between the number of the natural numbers, between any two consecutive square numbers, any consecutive square numbers is 2n. What's the formula? 2n. This is most very important property. They will ask you. Like this. See here. 289 and 324. How many natural numbers are there between 289 and 324? So they will ask you like this. So if you write 290, 291, 292 like that, so it will be taking more time. So these are the small numbers you can easily very well you can do very well. Now let us see here. 4096 4225. How many natural numbers are there between 4096 and 4225? They will ask you. If you don't know this property, what will you do? So you will write 4097, 4098, 4099 and 4100. Like that you will write. You will waste your time. But if you know this property, this is what? 64 square. This is what? 65 square. The natural numbers between the consecutive square numbers is 2n, you know very well, isn't it? So 2n. So 2 into here n value is 64. 64. That is 128. So if you know this property, you can write directly answer 128 without counting. Without counting, you can write directly answer. This is the most important property. And one more property is there, that is the product of any two consecutive odd numbers. Any two consecutive odd numbers. The product of the any two consecutive odd numbers is the square of the middle even number and minus 1. So the square of the middle even number and minus 1. Let us do one example. For example, 3 into 5 I am taking. So 3 5s are 15, isn't it? How you get the middle number? What is the middle number? Even number. So even number square minus 1. So that is 16 minus 1. That is equal to 15. So this is the most important property. So means without multiplication, if you know squares, 100 squares, you can easily write the answer. You can easily write the answer. For example, see here, 75 into 77. You want 75 into 77. So what will you do? So 76 square minus 1. So if you know 76 square, so 76 square minus 1 you can do easily. Very easily you can do. Isn't it? For example, 99 into 101. 99 into 101. So what's the, this is very easy answer. So 99, 99. Isn't it? How you got this is 100 square minus 1. That is 100 square 10,000. 10,000 minus 1 means 9,991. See here. So like that very easily can do. The product of the any two consecutive odd numbers, the product of any two consecutive odd numbers is nothing but the middle even number square minus 1. The middle even number square minus 1. And also one more thing I will say here. Any square number can be written as like this. So n square minus 1 by 2 plus n square plus 1 by 2. Any square number can be written like this. Any square number can be written like this. How sir? Let us see. For example, take 10 square or 9 square or number we can say 9 square. So 9 square minus 1 means 8. 9 square means 81. 81 minus 1 means 80 by 2. So 82 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 40s are 2 ones are 2 40 ones are. See here 40 plus 41. That is 81. So any square number can be written as n square minus 1 by 2 and n square plus 1 by 2. So this is odd number I think. Let us suppose even number will take. For example, even number. So 4 square will take. So 4 square is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15 by 2. And 16 plus 1 17 by 2. So 15 15 30 32. 32 by 2. 2 ones are 2 16. So you take any number. Any square number can be written as, this is one more property, n square minus 1 by 2 and plus n square plus 1 by 2. N square plus 1 by 2. And one more thing. The difference of the any two consecutive square numbers. Any two consecutive square numbers is the sum of the numbers. The sum of the numbers. For example, see here 4 square minus 3 square. I don't do. So this is 4 plus 3 because I am taking so 2 numbers. So that number only answer. So 4 square minus 3 square means 4 plus 3 answer. 4 plus 3 is the answer. For example, see here 11 square minus 10 square. So answer is 21 because 11 plus 10. If I don't know the squares also, if I know this property, I can do the answer. See here 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is, that is 7. 121 minus 100. So that is 21. If they given very big number, see here. So two consecutive odd numbers. 77 square minus 76 square they are giving. So I don't know the 70 square 76. What I know the property, the sum of the given two numbers. Sum of the two given numbers is 76 and 76, 140, 152, 153. So answer 153 is the right answer. So without writing squares and without subtracting, we are writing the answer. 153 is the right answer. So like that, we can write the, so easily for any squares property. These are the all square properties. Next, we will go for pattern. So some patterns are there. The patterns are most important. So those, let us discuss patterns. Next, one more property is there. Any square number other than 1, except 1, if you take any square number, means 4, 9, 16, 49, any number you take. If you divide that number either 3 or 4, you will get remainder of 0 or 1. For example, if I divide with 4, I will get 0 remainder. If I divide with 3, I will get remainder 1. This is. If I divide with 4, I will get remainder 1. If I divide with 3, I will get remainder 0. If I divide with 4, I will get remainder 0. If I divide with 3, I will get remainder 1. So means you take any square number, divide with 3 or 4. So either you will get the remainder 0 or 1. This is one more important property. Next, patterns. So triangular numbers are there. See here, square. So if I take 1 square, that is 1. Next. Now see here, this is a 3. So this is a triangular. Next. So 1, 3. Next, I will take 6. See here. So between two numbers. Now see, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now I am getting triangle. Now what number I will get? I don't know. So here 1, 2, 3. Now 4 I will take. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So next triangular number is 10. Next triangular number is 10. Next. Now I will take 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. So I will get what I am getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 is my triangle number. So what is the first triangle, second triangle, third triangle, fourth triangle, fifth triangle, sixth triangle? So what is the nth triangle formula here in this pattern? Nth triangle is, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the nth triangle formula. This is the nth triangle formula. Now, square number pattern. Square number pattern. See here, if I add these two, then I will get, see here. So 2 square I am getting. So if I add 1 plus 3, I am getting 2 square. So if I add these two, I am getting square number 9 I am getting. Means that is 3 square. So means the sum of the consecutive triangular numbers is nothing but square of a number. Is nothing but square of a number. Next you see 11 square, that is 121. Next 1 square. So you will get 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So like that some patterns will be there. Some pattern. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 is there. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is there. So like this some patterns are there. So in this square and square roots. Next square root. Square root of a number is a number which is a number. Let us see here. A number which is multiplied by itself, then we are getting product. Then one of that number is called square root of the product. Square root of the product. So a number which is multiplied by itself, then we are getting product. The what number we are multiplying, that is called square root of the product. Square root of the product. Square root of the product. Now see here. Here square roots, for finding square roots we have shortcuts. Let us see here. For example, I want to find 1521. I want to find square root of the 1521. Now see here, units place is 1. So I will definitely get either 1 or 9. So now the square root of a number, either definitely I will get 1 or 9. Now see here. So 2-digit number, here also 2-digit number. Now cancel the 2 digits of the given number. Now 15. So 15 is, what is the nearest square root? That is 3. 4 square 16, that is more. So that's what 3. So you write 3 here also, isn't it? 31, either 31 my answer or 39. Now 3 after next number what? 4. So 3 4 is how much? 12. Now see, the given number is comparing to the 12. So the given number is comparing to 12 more. So this is the more. So this 31, 39, which is the more number? This is 1. So Our answer is 39. Our answer is 39. This is the one of the best shortcut for finding the square root of the given number. So long division method is also best method, but is a time taking process. But is the time taking process. Let us see one more example. 7744. I want to find this one. Now 4 means that will be either 2 or 8. 2-digit number. This is also 2-digit number. Now let us see here. If it is even number means, so the square root of the given number is half of the number only. If it is odd number means that is n plus 1 by 2 number is there. Now see here, these two numbers cancel. 77. 77 means 8 square nearest number. 8 next number 9. 8 nines are 72. So now the given number is 72 is more than this 72. More than the 72 means, so here also 82, here also 88. So more number only will get the square number. So always getting more number on, sir. Please tell me the less number, sir. I want to find the less number. Okay, I'll do 1024. Now 4 is there means definitely it will be 3 or 8. Okay, so first two numbers cancel. 10, that is the nearest to 3 square. So 3 square 10. So 3 next number 4, 12. Now the 10 is comparing to 12, it is very less value. So means 32 and 38. So 32 is the least value. So because comparing to 12, 10 is the least number. So 32 is the answer. So 32 square is 1024. So this is the friends shortcut for this square roots and square shortcuts also there. So I will say how to find square. Now see here, 99 square I want. So 99 square I want means what will you do? So 99 minus 1, 1 square. So 99 minus 1, 98. 1 square is 0. So answer 9 is 01 answer. 9 is 01 answer. Sir, so it's very easy, sir. So say 1 second, sir. Okay, I'll say 98 square I want. 98 square I want. So 98, how much less compared to 100? 2. So that 2 subtract from 98 and do the 2 square here. No. 98 minus 2, 96. 2 square is 04. You write 04 because 4-digit number. So that is 9604. 9604. So 85 square you say, sir. Okay, 85 also I will say. So how much less is there? 15 less is there. So 15 square. No. So 85 minus 15. So that is 70. Now, so 15 square is 225. This 2 brought here, then 7225 is the answer. 7225. This is the best shortcut method for finding the square of any number. Square of any number I will say now. Listen, square of any number. Now I want to find 45 square. Listen. So you do like this. So 5 square, 25. So 2 should be kept outside. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 10 4s are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. Now write 4 here. Next. So 4 square. 4 square is 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So 2025. 2025. You do one more, sir. Okay, I'll do 91 square. So 1 square. 1 square means 1. Next. 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 9s are 8. 2 9s are 18. So 1 will be there. Next. 9 square. 9 square 81. 81 plus 1, 82. So answer 8281. So 8281 is the 91 square. So like that do for any square number you can do this method very easily. And in the squares method, so one more important shortcut is there. You can find any number which is having units place 5 very easily, very easily. Let us do. So 15 square, 25 square, 75 square, 95 square. Let us do this all. So 5 square how much? 25, right. 5 square how much? 25, right. So 5 square how much? 25, right. 5 square how much? 25, right. Now see. 1 next number what? 2. So 1 2s are 2. So 15 square is 225. 2 next number what? 3. 3 2s are 6. So 25 square is 625. 7 next number what? 8. 7 8s are 56. So 5625 is the answer. 9 next number what? 10. 10 9s are 90. So 9025 is the answer. So if any square number which is having units place 5, so you can do 5 square as it is and that number next number multiply and write the between 25. So then you will get the that number square number easily. So this is the friends square and square roots lesson concept. You understand, I think, very well. So in this top 20 models also I am preparing. So I will give the lesson. First of all, I will complete the all concept. Then after that, I will prepare the most important bits. So if you like this video, please like it. If you want to share it, share it. Please subscribe my channel if you are the new student to my channel, and please share this video to all your friends. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it.